What's up, you certified beauties? It's Nick here from Nick's Taxes. Today, I want to talk about two stocks that I think have the potential to at least double in 2021. So these are stocks that I have just recently bought, and I think they have the potential to go to the moon. Now, these are low market cap speculative growth stocks, which mean they have the potential to go really high in terms of value, or they have the potential to really crash depending on what happens in these upcoming months and years ahead. But based on what I'm seeing with revenue projections and the way that our economy is going, I think these are two very good plays that I'm really excited about in my portfolio. So I just ask, as we get into these two stocks, that you give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow a lot, so I'd appreciate that. And if you're interested to subscribe to this channel, I make videos on personal tax, financing, and investing. So if that's of interest to you, please consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's jump right into the stocks. Alrighty, so these are my two stocks to buy for 2021. Again, these are speculative growth stocks. So I'm putting money in that I'm not really needing, you know what I mean? Like, this is a relatively small amount of my portfolio that I'm using to invest in these stocks. And I'm not an investment advisor, so this is just for entertainment purposes only. And this is why I am interested in buying these stocks and why I did. So if you got value out of this video, again, please just give it a thumbs up. The first stock I was looking at is Good Natured Products, selling at 85 cents per share as of end of day, December 21st. It is a small company, $133 million market cap, but this company makes eco-friendly products and packaging that are good for the planet, good for human health, and good for business by focusing on innovative designs and improving logistics. They use the highest possible percentage of renewable plant-based materials, and they don't use any chemicals of concern potentially harmful to human health and the environment. So pretty cool. Here's a look at some of the products that they make. A lot of takeaway stuff, trays, plates, cutlery, things of that nature. Let's take a look at their income statement. I see top line revenue growing, which is a great sign. They are currently operating in a loss. You can see their net income is negative, but that's to be expected with a small startup growth company. Their focus should just be on increasing that top line revenue for now. And here's their balance sheet. Actually, for a small company, it's okay. You can see here their cash and cash equivalents compared to their total current liabilities. And they have more cash than they do current liabilities. However, one thing that's of concern is they have a lot of long-term debt. But I was kind of looking into it, and they've been acquiring a lot of different companies, and that investment has increased their long-term debt. And also, as a small startup, they're putting a lot of investments into their company to try to grow their company, which makes sense. And hopefully that works out, because we see here a revenue increase estimate for 2021 to be $32 million from $16 million in 2020, which represents a 100% sales growth, which is huge. Something that I think is going to factor in is just the kind of changing consumer and business demands. People don't want single-use plastic anymore. Businesses want to use products that are more sustainable. It's a good look for them. And also, the government of Canada is going to be forcing companies to reduce their waste. We can see there's a plan in place that by 2030, Canada wants to achieve zero plastic waste. And so they're going to be cutting off single-use plastic and all that kind of stuff. And to help get this plan going, they already have plastics to be banned by 2021. So by the end of this year, 2021, they're going to be banning certain things: grocery bags, straws, cutlery, stir sticks, rings, and takeout containers. So this falls perfectly for Good Natured, because look right here, takeout containers, cutlery. So companies not only might be looking for better eco-friendly products, but if you're operating in Canada, the government's going to be forcing you to look for new alternatives, and good nature fits right into that category and right there to fill that need. So I'm really interested and hopeful that good nature takes advantage. So where do I see this price going? I see it $2 plus in 2021 as revenues double. I can see the price of this stock doubling. All right, the next stock I'm also excited about, CloudMD. It's a little bit bigger, $438 million market cap. It's trading at $2.70, ticker code DOC. Last couple days, it's just been on a tear. You can see end of day on Monday went up 10%. I was looking at this stock on Thursday, I believe, and ever since then, it's just gone up and up. Like, I think Friday it was up good 7-8%. Now it's up 10%. So it's trending in the right direction pretty powerfully these last few days. Might be a good idea to maybe wait and see if it falls down a little bit, but who knows? It might be going to the moon as of right now. What does CloudMD Software and Service Inc. do? Well, it's virtual medical care. And so you can access a doctor from your phone, desktop, or tablet. So it's pretty cool. So all you have to do here is you download the app and you end up getting connected to one of the doctors and you receive your diagnosis and your prescription. Easy as that. Look at some of the things that CloudMD can do. General medical advice, sick notes, specialist referrals. Like, this is great stuff that you can just do from the comfort of your couch or from your bed. You know, a lot of people hate calling the doctor. A lot of people hate going to doctor's appointments. And a lot of people love being on their phone. So this is a great combination, a great software, I believe, in my mind, that is going to be big in the future. Whether lockdowns continue with this global pandemic or not, I can see people really trying to avoid going into the doctor, going out, and just getting their diagnosis, their prescriptions from the comfort of their own home through an application. So let's take a look here at some of their earnings estimates. We can see here a sales growth estimate of 219% in 2021, which is colossal. You can see here in 2020, they're estimated 15 million, and 2021, 48 million. So this company is growing and growing at a torrid pace, which you love to see for a growth stock. Quick look at their balance or their income statement. You can see top line revenue increasing pretty nicely here. See their earnings before interest and taxes, negative, and that's to be expected again for a growth company. They're focusing again on building that revenue, growing their clientele, building their business, and the earnings will come later. This is big. CloudMD just recently, as of Thursday, December 17th, acquired a company that is a leader in healthcare data integration and cybersecurity. I believe for CloudMD, the medical field and cybersecurity are big, right? When you're dealing with medical documents, security is paramount, and consumers are going to want that as well, that peace of mind that when they are on an app, when they are online dealing with a doctor, that their medical records, their medical issues are secure and there's going to be no data breaches. Another thing that's big about this company is they are a North American leader. They have a big presence in the US. So this can open the door more for CloudMD to gain more customers in the US. And if they can do that, I can see this stock just going absolutely in the moon. Never mind into orbit, but going straight to the moon with this stock. So where do I see this price estimate? I'm a little bit more bullish. I see it $3.60 by the end of 2021. Or I could see that while it's still not earning any profits, I can see a company like an Amazon actually acquiring this company and taking it for themselves, because I think this is a great business model and I can see someone scooping this up while it's still growing. So those are my two stocks. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you got value, please give this a thumbs up. So those are the two stocks, GDNP and DOC. Again, if you got value out of this video, please just ask that you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Let me know what you think in the comments below about both of those stocks, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm Nick, happy taxing.